Hi Skillshare, my name is Brittany, designer for Threadora gowns. I create half-scale evening gown patterns and teach you modern and couture dressmaking skills in half the time. I'd love to welcome you to my introductory course, The Magic Mini Mannequin. My scaled dress courses walk you through the entire garment construction process, but you have the advantage of using less material and in less time. It becomes very freeing when you lose the pressure to please a client or stress about perfecting fit. It allows you to focus on perfecting your skill instead. I'm excited that over the next few months, the first collection of Threadora courses will be launched here on Skillshare. One thing I am constantly asked though is where can I find a mini form? Well, there are several options out there. Most require a modest investment that most people aren't willing to do initially. So I created this simple do-it-yourself version of a mini form. This will dip your toes into half-scale construction and you'll end up with a beautiful display form for your future Threadora dresses. For this course, you'll get to bring out a bit of your crafty side. You can choose your own stand or use one of my suggestions. Don't be afraid to get creative or just keep it simple. Included along with the video tutorials is a printable PDF pattern of the body, a material list, and an instructional guide sheet with screenshots that you can keep beside your machine for an at-a-glance reference. You'll need some basic sewing tools and equipment to complete your dress form. I have listed some recommendations below. Once you have them gathered, you're ready to start sewing your magic mini mannequin. I hope you join me.